Namaste students. खुश रहो बेटिया. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic recalling. Recalling is recalling and waste disposal related to the complaints and its evaluation. So now we come to the recalling. What is recalling of the complaints? Recall is an action taken to withdraw and remove the drug from distribution or use, including corrective action for which deficiencies are reported in quality, efficacy, and safety. Recall also include drug prohibited under the provision of Drug and Cosmetic Act, and also those products for which product license are suspended and cancelled. Recall products. Products which are already distributed or sold may require at times to be recalled from marketed for various reasons. Example, substandard quality detected after the product was distributed. Damage of goods during transit. Such recalled products should be clearly identified and stored separately in a secure area until a decision is taken on their force. Such decisions should be made as soon as possible. Recall applies a total ban of permanent removal and temporary ban or temporary removal. Reasons. FDA, Food Drug Administration authorities may order a recall of substandard quality of the finished product for any other justified reason. Manufacturer himself may find problems with the product such as substandard quality, problems related to the stability of the product, and based on the market complaint received from a customer or physician. Accidental damage. Accidental damage of the consignment may also happen during transportation. In such case, product quality may not be questionable, but packaged may get damaged and cannot be sold or distributed as such in the market and hence required to be recalled. Type of recall. First one is compulsory product recall and voluntary product recall. अब जानते हैं हम कंपल्सरी प्रोडक्ट रिकॉल क्या होता है. इंडस्ट्रीज डू नॉट टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ रिकॉलिंग द प्रोडक्ट voluntarily. Commission conduct a compulsory product recall. Now we come to the voluntary product recall. Industries voluntarily recall the products in consultation with ICC. Encouraged by the commission, where suppliers recall a product as soon as a defect is found that makes a product hazardous or unsafe for use or consumption. Recall classification. Class first recalls. Class first is a situation in which there is a reasonable probability that the use of or exposure to a validative product will cause serious adverse health consequences or death. Example of class first recall: pathogens in ready to eat food, salmonella, E. coli, clostridium, high level of sulfites, high level of heavy metals, and choking hazards for the susceptible population. Class second recall. Class second recall is a situation in which use of exposure to a volative product may cause temporary or medically reversible adverse health consequences, or where the probability or serious adverse health consequences is remote. Example of class second recall: foreign objects that pose a physical hazard, pathogens, Shigella, hepatitis, and Clostridium. Class third recall is a situation in which use of exposure to a violative product is not likely to cause adverse health consequences. Timeline for the effective recall system: rapid alert. Based on the category of risk, involve a timeline of within 24 hours up to maximum 72 hours for class first recall, and class second recall up to maximum of 10 days. The class third recall up to maximum of 30 days is allowed. Level of recalls: wholesale product recall, distributors, wholesale distribution center, and importers. Recall product recall: dealer, supermarket, a hospital, restaurant, and major retail outlet. Individual consumer recall: individual consumer. And how to recall the product: product recall process: product is likely to cause injury, adverse drug health, and effect to person. The supplier should identify it, and take the necessary steps required to recall the product. The product control the risk and coordinate the recall process. Level of recall: a product can be recalled at 3 level: wholesale, retail, individual consumer, or combination of any 2 or 3 levels. Determination of the level of recall is dependent to how far the product has penetrated the market from the supplier. Recall strategy: is very important. Supplier should develop recall strategy for various levels of recall as specified. Supplier should consider the following: notification mechanism to stop distribution and sale of product. How to effectively and efficient remove potentially unsafe product from marketplace. Isolation and safe storage of recovered product, disposal of product, or return of product to market. Availability resource for remedial action. Product recovery, storage, and disposal. Method of product recovery: product may be recovered by being returned of the suppliers, supermarkets, and wholesalers of the retailers. Remedial action by the suppliers is also very important for the recall, and monitoring the effectiveness of the product recall. Post recall, how to notify the consumers: public notification and media release. Through media coverage system is also the very important part of the recalling. Publicity material, product information, clear identification of the supplier, statement of the hazards and associated risk, action consumers should take to avoid injury, and contact telephone number. Advise that the recall is at the expenses of the supplier. Overview of the process flow: rapid alert and recall system is also very important activity for the complaints, identifying of the potential and non-compliance issue, and communication quality assurance. So now we move to the regulatory guidelines. A detailed SOP should be available, and record of recall should be maintained by the manufacturer. So this is the very important SOPs on product recall. Now we come to the objective: to specify a method of operation that will ensure the prompt and effective removal of any medicines for which XYZ Pharmaceuticals Limited is the manufacturer, and which may represent a health hazards to the consumer or use from the market. Some responsibilities are also important in recalling of the products and complaints procedure. Any employees of XYZ Pharmaceutical Limited becoming aware and volatile medicine, immediate notify the GM and quality assurance and quality control regulatory, or in his absence, good manufacturing practices. So this is the complete protocol of complaints and recalling and use of disposal. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.